Welcome back. I'm Akash Joshi. I'm the OR guru, and today we're going to be talking about personnel scheduling, which is a famous operations research problem. This problem can be solved with linear programming, which is a famous method of operations research, and it's also really simple, and it's a good introductory lesson, and it gives you lots of exposure to what OR is all about. So the personnel scheduling problem is something like this. If you're the manager of a factory or a department store or whatever, you need to hire employees. And employees, you want to minimize the number of employees that you hire to reduce costs and maximize profits. So let's say each employee will serve a 5-day shift, and you need to meet a demand for employees. In other words, every single day requires a certain amount of employees, and you need to make sure that enough employees are in the factory or the department store or wherever so that you have enough workers. So here's the problem written out. You can refer to this later in the video. Okay, so for the purpose of this example, for this problem, let's set the demand to 200 on Sunday, 220 on Monday, and so on. So that just means that you need 200 employees on Sunday and 220 employees on Monday, and so on. And the reason you see a little uptick in employees during Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday is because you're gonna prepare for a large influx of consumers that come into retail stores on Saturday and Sunday. So you need to maximize production so that you have enough time to ship it to the retail stores or department stores or grocery stores or whichever stores. And that way the stores can meet the demand, that the large influx of consumers that come into their stores on the weekends. So yeah, that's why you see like 250 and 300 on Tuesday and Wednesday, high numbers. For the purpose of this problem, our decision variable is going to be xi. Xi is going to be the number of employees that start working on day I. And in this problem in the US, Sunday is the first day of the week, so I is equal to 1, and then Saturday is the last day of the week, so I equals 7. Our objective function is to minimize the number of employees that we hire. Now let's talk about the constraints. Okay, so on Sunday we're going to have x1 plus x4 plus x5 plus x6 plus x7 has to be greater than or equal to 200. So what this means is that the shift starting on Sunday plus the shift starting on, I believe, Wednesday, and Thursday, then Friday, then Saturday. So all the people working on Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday are all going to be working on Sunday no matter what, because there's a 5-day consecutive shift. If you work on Wednesday, you're going to be working on Sunday. So all of these employees combined have to be greater than 200 or equal to 200 because the demand must be met. Given this constraint, I want you to try to find out the other 6 constraints based on the day of the week. You can pause the video here. Okay, so now let me show you the constraints. Yeah. As you can see, over here we have our demands. All of them must be met. That's why it's greater than or equal to. Here we have all of our employees working. For example, let's look at Wednesday. So Wednesday, the people working on Wednesday have to be there. The people working on Sunday have to be there. The people work on Saturday have to be there. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all those people work on Wednesday, and in total they must be greater than 300. Yeah, so these are our constraints. So our complete formulation, if you combine our objective function and our constraints together, you get this. So if once you have our complete formulation, all you have to do is put it into an Excel solver, and there are multiple YouTube videos that show you how to put linear programs into Excel so that it can give you a solution. And all you have to do is put that in, and then it'll give you a value for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and Saturday, x1 through 7. It'll give you an individual value for all of those, and then you know how many employees that you have to hire. Okay, and also never forget your non-negativity constraint and for all of your I values. So that's it for me. Hope y'all learned something with linear programming. And linear programming is a great method of operations research, and it's really useful for beginners who are just getting introduced to operations research. Okay, thank you. Bye.